Hazrat Ali described about secret as al-mar'u ahwazu li-sirrihi. A man can hide his secret well. Khif sirraka wala tuwaddihu haziman fayazillu. Hide your secret yourself. Don't tell even a caring and sensible person. It is possible that he may slip and disclose the secret. Man katama sirrahu kanatil khiratu biyadihi. One who hides his secret will get full control. Sirruka asiruka. Your secret is your prisoner. Wa in afshaytahu sarta asirahu. When you disclose your secret, then you will become its prisoner. He said, As-sirru iza tajawaza an isnaini fasha'a. When secret is shared more than two persons, then it is exposed. That is, it does not remain secret. Man katama sirrahu balaga muradahu. One who hides his secret will reach his destination. Sadrul aqili sanduku sirrihi. The chest of a wise is the treasure of his secret. La yustadau sirun annamamu wal ahmak. Don't give your secret to a chugulkhor, that is, backbiter and foolish. Az-zafru bil hazmi. Success is with care and foresight. Wal hazmu bi ijabati rai. Care and foresight is to use the opinion. Wa rayu bi tahfizil asrar. And the opinion is to keep safe the secret. Hazrat Ali declared these the best action, that is, ikfa'ul amali, to keep secret the action, wa sabru al razaya, to keep patience on suffering, wa kitmanul masaib, to hide the sufferings. He mentioned, abzil li saddiqika kullal mawaddati, spend all your love for your friend, wala tabazzil lahu kullat tamaniyati, but don't disclose your secret before him. The worst infidelity and betrayal is to expose the secret. Don't depend on that person who discloses your secret. Hazrat Ali further described the person who prizes the secret of others, then his secret will also expose. It is written in the famous Dua Kamal of Hazrat Ali, which he taught to his companion Kamal ibn Ziyad Nakhi as Kam min kabihin satartahu. Ya Allah, how many faults have you hidden?